Good morning and assalamu alaikum students. Take out your language book. First of all, we just have to do this previous exercise of previous chapter on page number 50. Take out page number 50 of previous chapter. This page was left. These 2 to 3 exercises which we have to do today. First, we will do this exercise, then we will start next chapter. Take out page number 50 first of all. Page number 50, first we will complete this exercise, then we will move forward to next chapter. It is about abbreviations. What are abbreviations? Abbreviations are a short way to write words and phrases. We use abbreviations to write the word in a short form or maybe words or phrases as well. For example, PNA. PNA is abbreviation of Pakistan News Agency. Here are given some abbreviations and we have to find out for what they stand for. Like SAF. In the chapter, find these abbreviations and the reading passage. What does each one stand for? SAF. SAF is this South Asian Federation. SAF stands for South Asian Federation. South Asian Federation. Number 2, MR. MR stands for Mr. M-I-S-T-E-R, Mr. M is an abbreviation of meter. SAF, South Asian Federation. Mr. M for meter. Now come to question number 2. You have to match these phrases, words with these abbreviations given in the next column. Number, the abbreviation of number is NO number. On the left side, number 3, NO number. Colonel, COL. Police constable, the abbreviation for police constable is PC. The abbreviation of police constable is PC. Organization of Islamic Conference, OIC. Organization of Islamic Conference, OIC. Number 5, Pakistan International Airlines, PIA. The abbreviation of Pakistan International Airlines is PIA. Done. Now number 3. These abbreviations are short forms of Latin words. Find out what their English meanings are. Now these are the abbreviation of for Latin words. We have to find out the meaning in English. Like AM, before noon. I will do it on board. The Latin form of this is AM, ante-meridian, MERIDIAN. But the English word is before noon. Number 2 is PM. PM is post meridian. But its English meaning is afternoon. Number 3 is example. This we are doing page 50. Its Latin word is example. Gratia. Example gratia. But for English it is for example. You have to do it on the book here in front of this. AM is right in front of it. PM right in front of it. The example right in front of it. You have to do it on the books, not on copies. Do it with me right now on your books. Match the columns. Also do it right now. Match these columns on your books and write these abbreviations on your books. I'm not giving you to write it on your copies. This is the Latin words, Latin meanings, and that are English meaning of these words. AM, anti-meridian. In English we say before noon. PM, post-meridian. In English we say afternoon. EG, exempli gratia. In Latin, for example, in English. You have to do it on your books. After doing this, you will take out page number 51. Do it on your books. After doing this, take out your page number 51. This page. We will start our next chapter. Next chapter is advertisement. Take out page number 51 after doing this. Chapter number, unit number 9. Now take out page number 51. Next chapter, next unit, unit number 9, advertisement. I have mentioned on the board page number, unit number, and unit name. Speaking, do tourists visit your country? Now this is a question to you people. Do tourists visit your country? Pakistan is an tourist country. Many tourists around the world come here to visit the northern areas, especially. Where do they stay? What are some of the reasons people like to come to your country? The people which come from other countries to visit Pakistan, to visit its northern areas, they stay in the resorts or guest house. There are resorts in almost every tourist place, in every city of northern areas. What are some of the reasons people like to come here? Now this is question to you people. You think what are the reasons why people come here, why people like to visit Pakistan, why people like to visit northern areas of Pakistan? Because of its culture, its different culture, its language, its food, its beautiful places, for everything, everything is new for the people who come from other countries here in Pakistan to visit Pakistan. The taste of food here, the traditional clothes, the traditional dance, the traditional language, the language of the country. So these are the many reasons that attract tourists. The beautiful places, the mountains, the rivers, the meadows, everything here in Pakistan attract tourists so that they come here to visit Pakistan for tourism. Every year around the world, many tourists from around the world come here in Pakistan to explore your country. I think we by themselves haven't explored our country as much as other people around the world come here, live here for just 15 days, 20 days, or for 1 month, and they explore the country very well. This is a website homepage. What do you think you will find if you click on each of the links? The other parts of the site. Now this is a website page. You go and Google the places you want to visit. So this is also one of the website page of Shangri-La Resorts in Skardu. In Skardu, these are the Shangri-La resorts, and this is the advertisement of it. Advertisement of Shangri-La Resorts, which attracts the tourists. Now these are the other links in this red. Can you see these red links in the column, in the right column? Rates and reservation. If you will click on this link, another page will appear about rates and reservation. If you will click on getting there, another page will open here in this link. So these are the links. Many other links related to this Shangri-La Resort link and advertisement. These links are related to this advertisement. When you open one link for this, many other links appear here in this red box, so that you can have every information you want to visit in this on this place. Now what is this Shangri-La Resort? See this picture, how beautiful it is, how it is surrounded by water and all these greeneries. This is a very beautiful place to visit. Now we will read some points what can attract the tourists for it. Shangri-La Resorts, Skardu. It is known as heaven on earth. Shangri-La Resort on Skardu is known as heaven on earth. Heaven means paradise, the Jannat. It's heaven on earth. It's nestled among some of the world's largest peaks, and it is also among the largest peaks around the world. It is on the Shangri-La Resort is on the highest peak of the world in Skardu. It encircles the heart-shaped Kachora Lake and is surrounded by fruit-laden orchards and flower-filled gardens. Now look at this picture. It is a heart-shaped lake. It is famous for its heart-shaped lake and orchards of many fruits, and surrounded with flower-filled gardens. Fruit-laden mean heavenly loaded. When you stay with us, plan for a relaxing. Now this is advertisement for them. Now this advertisement is given by Skardu Resort. Now what they are saying is, when you stay with us, plan for a relaxing gateway, relaxing, pleasant, short holiday. Relaxing gateway, pleasant, short holiday. Enjoy a game of tennis or boating. Now what they are offering in their resort, they are saying, enjoy a game of tennis or boating in the crystal blue water. The water is crystal blue. Crystal blue means it is clear. You can see through the water underneath the water. Crystal blue water of Kachora Lake and many other activities that we have to offer. Now this is advertisement of Shangri-La Resort. They are offering relaxing gateway, pleasant holiday, a game of tennis, boating, crystal blue water of Kachora Lake, and many other activities they offer there. Now what are features and amenities? Amenities, facilities. What are the features and facilities they are providing to their tourists? This is the list of those things they are providing. Great location in beautiful Skardu. It is a great location in Skardu. Luxury accommodation. Accommodation is housing. 60 lakeside cottages. Swiss cottages and presidential suites. Now, this is an example of one cottage given in this picture. Like this, these are 60 cottages near the lake. And These are Swiss cottages. They are different categories now. Luxury suite, Swiss and presidential suites. Presidential is royal and expensive apartments. Presidential is royal and expensive apartments. Complimentary pick and drop from Skardu Airport. Complimentary means free. They are giving free pick and drop to you people from Skardu Airport to this location. Complimentary boating and tennis. They're also giving you free boating and tennis. Large zoo with a wide variety of birds and animals. There is also a zoo, large zoo in this resort. Trout farm and hatchery, the largest in the northern area. Now these are 6 facilities and they are given to the tourists who come in this Shangri-La resort for their tourism. So this is their example. This is their website given here. This is their contact detail. When you open a link, when you open a website about anything to search on, they give their website as well and they give their telephone number as well, so that you can contact them if you have any other if you want any other information or any other particular things you want to know. So they will tell you on their phone number. So that's why they give their phone number on their website links. Now, if you want to see the comments of guest comments, you can click on this link. All the guest comments, it will be a kind of a review that how the place is, how people are giving the numbers or stars to this place. Features and amenities. Amenities are facilities. वहाँ पे कौन सी सहूलियात दी गई हैं? फैसिलिटीज आर सहूलियात के आपको जब आप रिजॉर्ट में जाओगे, शंग्रीला रिजॉर्ट में, तो वो आपको क्या क्या चीज ऑफर कर रहे हैं, वो क्या क्या चीजें आपको वहाँ पे ऑफर कर रहे हैं. व्हाट आर दैट थिंग्स? ग्रेट लोकेशन, बहुत ही खूबसूरत लोकेशन है. वहाँ पे लग्जरी सूट्स हैं. लग्जरी सूट्स मीन्स के कॉटेजेस हैं, स्विस सूट्स हैं, एक्सपेंसिव सूट्स हैं. They have differentiated them in 3 categories. Complimentary pick and drop. Complimentary means they are giving free pick and drop. तो free pick and drop दे रहे हैं. जब आप स्कर्दू एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंचते हो, वहां से आपको free pick and drop करते हैं, वहां से पिक भी करते हैं. जब आप वापस जाते हैं तो वहां पे आपको ड्रॉप भी करते हैं. Complimentary boating and tennis. Free boating and tennis. जब आप शंग्रीला रिजॉर्ट में रुक रहे हो तो वहां पे आपको फ्री बोटिंग भी कराएंगे और फ्री आपको टेनिस भी खिलाएंगे. बहुत बड़ा जू भी है वहां पे. और ये जो 5-6 चीजें हैं, ये चीजें हैं जो टूरिस्ट को अट्रैक्ट करती हैं कि वो आए शंग्रीला रिजॉर्ट विजिट करें. और शंग्रीला रिजॉर्ट स्कर्दू में हाईएस्ट पीक ऑन द वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट पीक के बहुत ऊंचाई पहाड़ों के ऊपर ये है. वहां पे एक हार्ट शेप, ये कचौड़ा लेक, जिसको हार्ट शेप लेक भी कहते हैं, जो शेप है वो हार्ट शेप है. और इट इज सराउंडेड बाय 60 लेक साइड कॉटेजेस. अब इस लेक के साइड पे 60 कॉटेजेस हैं. कॉटेजेस स्मॉल कॉटेज होता है जो एक फैमिली के लिए या वहां पे बस 2-4 दिन रहने के लिए, विजिट करने के लिए होता है. तो ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट दी गई है शंग्रीला रिजॉर्ट्स के बारे में, ठीक है, ताकि टूरिस्ट ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखेंगे और वो अट्रैक्ट होंगे तो वो विजिट करेंगे. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को एक रेड बॉक्स में मजीद इंफॉर्मेशन देने के लिए लिखी हुई हैं चीजें, वेबसाइट और नंबर भी अवेलेबल होता है. शंग्रीला रिजॉर्ट सराउंडेड बाय मेनी ऑर्चर्ड्स. ऑर्चर्ड्स क्या होते हैं? बाग, फलों के बाग और फूलों के बागों से भरा हुआ है. ये एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, ये कितना यहाँ पे ग्रीनरी है, हर जगह पे ग्रीनरी है, इस पिक्चर में भी हर जगह पे. सो इट इज फिल्ड विद फ्रूट ऑर्चर्ड्स एंड फ्लावर ऑर्चर्ड्स, के फलों के बाग है भी हैं और फूलों के बाग भी. सो इट इज फिल्ड विद ऑल दीज थिंग्स. इट इज अ वेरी 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 ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस टू विजिट. One more thing I have to tell you that our next lecture is on Wednesday. Wednesday को हमारा next lecture है. So I will be taking your oral test for unit number 1. Okay? I will be taking oral test for your unit number 1. कि आप लोगों ने क्या इससे पढ़ा है, क्या आपने सीखा है, क्या आपको चीजें याद है. Excluding question answers. Question answers नहीं होंगे. This book question answer will not be included in it. बाकी exercise, complete exercise, the concept of the chapter, the reading, everything will be included in this oral test, which will be taken on Wednesday. So you have to reread the chapter again carefully. You have to re-understand its adjectives, verbs, nouns, parts of speech में आते हैं ये. तो हर चीज को आपने अच्छे तरह से दोबारा से पढ़ना है, रीड करना है. I will be asking questions to you people orally. Now take out page number 52. Take out your page number 52. Take out your page number 52. Speaking and listening. No language. Persuading the reader. Persuading means convincing or promoting or motivating someone. किसी को persuade करना, motivate करना कि आप ये reading करो, आप ये चीज पढ़ो या आप ये चीज explore करो, तो उसको आप persuade करते हो, motivate करते हो, encourage करते हो. Now what is advertisements often contain? Advertisement में क्या क्या होता है? Facts about the product. Facts means कि originality, reality. कि ये चीज उस advertisement में जिस चीज के बारे में advertisement दी जा रही है वो चीज उसमें है, right? Like if I give you advertisement of this pen, अगर मैं आपको इस पेन का advertisement देती हूँ, I will tell you what is the fact about this pen. This pen writes. It is removable. It is dry erase removable marker. This is the fact about it. कि ये जब भी dry भी हो जाता है तब भी जो हम लिखते हैं उसको दोबारा से remove करके आप लिख सकते हो. This is dryable removable marker. This is the fact about this marker. So facts about the product. Words which are used to persuade the reader. Shringila Resort has garden. ये एक fact है. Shringila Resort में garden है. Shangri-La Resort is surrounded by flower-filled gardens. Persuasive adjective. कि अब आप जब ये चीज पढ़ते हो तो आपको और ज्यादा attraction होती है आगे further read करने के लिए. So Shangri-La Resort is surrounded by flower-filled gardens. Is persuasive adjective. Pursue you, to pursue the readers, to further read the advertisement. आप लोगों को encourage करता है कि आप further read आगे इस advertisement को read करो. Here are some facts about hotel in Karachi, page number 53. Here are some facts about a hotel in Karachi. Make each sentence more persuasive by adding persuasive adjectives. You can use words from the box or think of your own. अब एक होटल है कराची में, ठीक है, आप उसको वर्ड्स ऐड करके उसके बारे में उसको मोर पर्सुएसिव करना है कि लोग और एनकरेज हो उसके बारे में पढ़ने के लिए वहां पे आने के लिए. तो आप उसमें बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे एडजेक्टिव पर्सुएसिव एडजेक्टिव्स ऐड करते हो. लाइक द होटल हैज 25 रूम्स. द होटल हैज 25 रूम्स. Now if we will add luxurious तो वो और मतलब अट्रैक्ट करेगा. luxurious रूम एसिटी होगी, पर्सनल फ्रिज होगा, बहुत बड़ा रूम होगा. So this attract the other readers को attract करती है जो चीज, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? persuasive adjective. So we will add persuasive adjective in these words like the hotel has 25 rooms. अब ये इतना अट्रैक्टिव नहीं है लाइन. If you let the hotel has 25 luxurious rooms, बहुत luxurious room है, बहुत बड़े बड़े, बहुत प्यारे प्यारे, इसमें AC है, LCD लगी हुई है, personal fridge also. This attract the readers and the persons who want to visit the hotel. So you will add here. Write number 1 on luxurious. इस sentence में add होगा. The hotel has 25 luxurious rooms. It has enormous swimming pool. Enormous. On number 2, write enormous. ये enormous लिखा हुआ है, इस पे आप number 2 लिखें. You can have meals in our restaurant. You can have fabulous meals. Fabulous के ऊपर number 3 लिखिए. You can have fabulous meals in our restaurants. There are lots of staff. Number 4, there are lots of friendly staff. Staff बहुत friendly है. There are lots of friendly staff. Number 5, the hotel is perfectly close to a beach. Perfectly. Perfect के ऊपर number 5 again. The hotel is perfectly close to beach. Number 6, each room has its own kitchen tea. Number 6, helpful. Each room has its own helpful kitchen tea. मतलब कि हर रूम का अपना एक किचन है. Right. Number 6 on helpful. You just have to do it on your books. ये भी आपने सिर्फ books पे करना है. You have to do this on your books. Now see this question number 2. Which of these statements is a fact? Which is an opinion? कि कौन सा statement fact है, reality based, और कौन सा एक opinion है, एक इंसान की अपनी सोच के ऊपर based. Opinion meant to persuade the reader. Now look at number 1. There is an open air lounge. Open air lounge is an fact. ये एक fact है उस resort के बारे में कि open air lounge भी है. There is an open air lounge. Write just F in front of this sentence, and if it is opinion, write O in front of sentence. Shangri-La Resort is in a perfect location. ये persuasive adjective use किया हुआ है reader को pursue करने के लिए, reader को attract करने के लिए. So it is opinion. It is not fact. It is opinion. Local tours will pick you up. Fact. Pick and drop. We have read that they are giving pick and drop. So it is fact. Local tours will pick you up. Right? F. All the beds are queen size. Fact. कि बहुत बड़े बड़े beds होते हैं in the resort. So it is also fact. F. Write F in front of it. The conversation is fascinating. This is opinion. This is opinion. They are persuading the reader by using this persuasive adjective. The conversation is fascinating. Fascinating is persuasive adjective. Write O in front of it. You will sleep soundly. This is also number 6. You will sleep soundly. It is also an opinion. Opinion to pursue the reader. The cooking is the best in Pakistan. Opinion. This is also an opinion. Shangri-La Resort is in northern Pakistan. This is fact. Skardu is in northern areas of Pakistan. So Shangri-La Resort is also in northern area of Pakistan. This is fact. Write F in front of it. Now comparative and superlative adjectives. What are comparative and superlative adjectives? Comparative adjectives We use comparing things with most adjectives of 2 or more syllables. For comparative, we use more plus adjective. For superlative, we use most plus adjective. Comparative के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, more use करते हैं और साथ adjective use करते हैं. Superlative के लिए हम most use करते हैं और साथ adjective use करते हैं. Comparative वर्ड से हमें समझ आ रहा है कंपैरिजन, हम दो चीजों का कंपैरिजन करते हैं तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं, मोर प्लस एंड एडजेक्टिव. तो आई एम राइटिंग योर होमवर्क ऑन बोर्ड. इसमें आपको ये कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव के साथ ये एक्सरसाइज फिल करनी है और ये नीचे वाली भी ऑन द बुक्स. यू हैव टू फिल दिस एक्सरसाइजेस ऑन योर बुक्स, नॉट ऑन योर कॉपीज. दिस इज लैंग्वेज ट्री बुक होमवर्क. भी लैंग्वेज ट्री बुक का है ये वाला पेज. और अब आपको मैं वर्क बुक का होमवर्क दे रही हूँ जो आपने वो भी सिर्फ वर्क बुक के ऊपर ही करना है. पेज नंबर इज 20 and 21 on book. Page number 20 and 21 on books. Yes,
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
टीचर टीचर जो पेज 44 है उसका जो क्वेश्चन 2 है वो मैंने किया नहीं है. उस वक्त नेटवर्क का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ गया था.
Page 44. So question number
44 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 write out said.
ओके बेटा ये तो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा तो आप ऐसा करो प्रीवियस लेक्चर देख लेना YouTube पे.
टीचर वो आया ही नहीं है उस पर.
नहीं वो
मिल
आया
नहीं
वो.
रहा.
अच्छा मैं आपको लिंक सेंड कर दूंगी उसका.
ओके टीचर.
ठीक है
जी. एंड टीचर 2 मिनट्स. टीचर ये जो आपने टेस्ट दिया है इसका तो हमने कोई भी एक्सरसाइज की भी. आपने तो ऑनलाइन क्लास यूनिट 2 की स्टार्ट करवाई थी.
नहीं यूनिट इट वाज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम यूनिट 1.